Happy Monday, folks. It's Cam from the Santa Sells Houses team here with another episode of our Monday Market Update. Last week, we had a fairly steady week as far as numbers go. I'm going to dive into those, but since we're close to the end of the month, we're going to talk a little bit about some monthly numbers that are really sticking out to me right now. First of all, last week, we had 167 new listings, 193 sold listings, and 27 conditionally sold listings. So again, we've got listings are lower than sales, which is contributing to that average sale price shooting right up. That number is going to come out sometime next week, most likely, but it is going to be higher than August, and it will likely be close to what we saw earlier this year in, April, May, like the peak of the market. Some of the numbers that I'm seeing for the month that are really peaking at me right now, first and foremost is number of new listings. To this point in the month, I thought we'd been having a really, really good month as far as new listings go. There's been plenty of inventory out there, and while sales have been strong, it seemed like there's been a lot of inventory to kind of satisfy the market. So what I did is I took a look at how many new listings we've had so far this month and where that compares to the average number of new listings in September over the past 10 years. So far in September, we have about 660 new listings that hit the market. The average for September over the last 10 years has been 850 new listings coming to market every September. So what I thought was going to be a very strong month as far as new listings goes, looks like it's not going to be quite that strong. We've only got a few days left in September to kind of beef that number up and see where we can get to, but I can almost guarantee, like I'd bet $1 million on it, that we will not hit the average, the 10-year average of 850 new listings for the month of September. That would be 50 listings a day for the next 3 days. Even more than that, 70 listings for the next 3 days. It's not going to happen, folks. So new listings, not quite as high or as strong as we thought, which again is contributing to that rising average sale price. A couple of other things that are sticking out: average list price. So of those new listings that came to market this month, the average list price is the highest it's ever been in London, $633K to this point. So what we're seeing is that average sale price and that average list price are kind of getting closer together, and that's a sign of a change in strategy as far as listings go. We're not seeing so many underlisted that much. There's not as big of a discrepancy between list price and sale price in properties that are selling in multiple offers. So those are some fun numbers for your Monday. It's a beautiful day out there. Really soak it in. If you were up late last night watching the Packers win in the final seconds against the 49ers, good for you. Get outside, soak up some sun, and get ready for next week. We will see you next Monday for another episode of our Monday Market Update. Cheers.